Vetr lowered shares of Microsoft Corporation, NASDAQ MSFT, from a hold rating to a sell rating in a research report released on Monday. The firm currently has $78.90 price target on the software giant stock. A number of other research firms have also commented on MSFT. Stifel Nicolaus upped their price target on shares of Microsoft Corporation from $80 to $85 and gave the company a buy rating in a report on Tuesday, October 24. Citigroup Inc. upped their price target on shares of Microsoft Corporation from $74 to $79 and gave the company a sell rating in a report on Friday. Barclays PLC reiterated an overweight rating and set an $89 price target, up from $82, on shares of Microsoft Corporation in a report on Friday. Goldman Sachs Group Inc. set a $92 price target on shares of Microsoft Corporation and gave the company a buy rating in a report on Friday. Finally, Canaccord Genuity reiterated a buy rating and set a $94 price target, up from $86, on shares of Microsoft Corporation in a report on Friday. 2 analysts have rated the stock with a sell rating, 10 have issued a hold rating and 30 have issued a buy rating to the stock. The company currently has an average rating of buy and a consensus price target of $82.61. Get Microsoft Corporation alerts. Enter your email address. Submit. Microsoft Corporation, NASDAQ MSFT, traded down 0.36% during midday trading on Monday, hitting $83.59. 12,490,459 shares of the stock traded hands. The company has a market capitalization of $643.83 billion, a price-to-earnings ratio of 30.85, and a beta of 1.01. The stock's 50-day moving average price is $76.36, and its 200-day moving average price is $72.24. Microsoft Corporation has a 52-week low of $57.28 and a 52-week high of $86.20. Microsoft Corporation, NASDAQ MSFT, last posted its quarterly earnings results on Thursday, October 26. The software giant reported 84 cents for the quarter, beating the Zacks consensus estimate of 72 cents by 12 cents. Microsoft Corporation had a net margin of 24.56% and a return on equity of 35.23%. The company had revenue of $24.50 billion during the quarter, compared to analyst estimates of $23.57 billion. During the same period in the prior year, the business posted 76 cents EPS. The firm's revenue was up 11.7% compared to the same quarter last year. On average, equities research analysts predict that Microsoft Corporation will post $3.35 EPS for the current year. The firm also recently announced a quarterly dividend, which will be paid on Thursday, December 14. Investors of record on Thursday, November 16, will be issued a 42-cent dividend. The ex-dividend date is Wednesday, November 15. This is a positive change from Microsoft Corporation's previous quarterly dividend of 39 cents. This represents a $1.68 dividend on an annualized basis and a dividend yield of 2.00%. Microsoft Corporation's dividend payout ratio, DPR, is 53.06%. In related news, CFO Amy Hood sold 55,000 shares of the firm's stock in a transaction on Tuesday, August 29. The stock was sold at an average price of $72.71 for a total value of $3,999,050. Following the completion of the sale, the chief financial officer now directly owns 510,217 shares in the company, valued at $37,097,878.07. The sale was disclosed in a filing with the SEC, which can be accessed through this link. Also, insider Jean-Philippe Courtois sold 26,763 shares of the firm's stock in a transaction on Wednesday, August 30. The stock was sold at an average price of $74 for a total value of $1,980,462. Following the completion of the sale, the insider now owns 537,519 shares of the company's stock, valued at $39,776,406. The disclosure for this sale can be found here. Over the last 90 days, insiders sold 7,081,763 shares of company stock valued at $513,899,512. 1.49% of the stock is owned by corporate insiders. Several large investors have recently added to or reduced their stakes in the company. Vanguard Group Inc. lifted its position in shares of Microsoft Corporation by 4.6% during the second quarter. Vanguard Group Inc. now owns 564,052,011 shares of the software giant stock worth $38,880,105,000 after purchasing an additional 25,053,413 shares during the last quarter. State Street Corporation lifted its position in shares of Microsoft Corporation by 0.8% during the first quarter. State Street Corporation now owns 318,681,830 shares of the software giant stock worth $20,988,383,000 after purchasing an additional 2,552,473 shares during the last quarter. Capital Research Global Investors lifted its position in shares of Microsoft Corporation by 212.3% during the second quarter. Capital Research Global Investors now owns 69,663,044 shares of the software giant stock worth $4,801,874,000 after purchasing an additional 47,353,245 shares during the last quarter. Janus Henderson Group PLC lifted its position in shares of Microsoft Corporation by 609.4% during the second quarter. Janus Henderson Group PLC now owns 49,174,883 shares of the software giant stock worth $3,389,625,000 after purchasing an additional 42,243,011 shares during the last quarter. Finally, Legal & General Group PLC lifted its position in shares of Microsoft Corporation by 1.1% during the second quarter. Legal & General Group PLC now owns 37,689,022 shares of the software giant stock worth $2,597,786,000 after purchasing an additional 425,485 shares during the last quarter. Institutional investors and hedge funds own 73.35% of the company's stock. About Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Corporation is a technology company. The company develops, licenses, and supports a range of software products, services and devices. The company's segments include productivity and business processes, intelligent cloud and more personal computing. The company's products include operating systems, cross-device productivity applications, server applications, business solution applications, desktop and server management tools, software development tools, video games, and training and certification of computer system integrators and developers.